Reports suggesting that Masood Azhar's family members have also been killed in these strikes. 10 family members of Masood Azhar, the head of Jaish-e-Mohammed, have also in fact been killed in these strikes. 10 members of his family, 4 close associates. So that's the big breaking news that's coming in. The exact spot where this happened was in Bahawalpur, which is considered to be the JEM headquarters. So it's happened in Bahawalpur at the Subhana Allah Jama Masjid, which was targeted in these strikes. Precision strike that took place to exactly weed out this man, Masood Azhar, and his terror aides. So we understand 4 close associates of Masood Azhar, 10 of his family members were in that mosque. They've been eliminated and they've been killed as a result of this strike.
Akshata, also just to reiterate to the viewer, don't think they are innocent civilians, because it is according to the government's dossier as well. They've detailed. As recently as 30th November 2024, Maulana Masood Azhar addressed the Jaish-e-Mohammed cadre at the same Markaz Subhana Allah after a gap of 2 years, in which it was attended by Maulana Talha Asif, the younger brother of Masood Azhar, Abdullah bin Masood, the son of Mahmood of Maulana Azhar. So these family members have been as involved when it comes to Jaish-e-Mohammed activities.
Very, very true. And so you've crippled the Jaish-e-Mohammed, which was our intention from the very start with these kind of operations, with the strike. And the news break that we're putting out right now on our screens is exactly that. Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar, who's involved, whose role in several terror attacks in India is well known, well documented. He's lost 10 members of his family, 4 of his closest terror aides who've helped him plotting terror attacks. They've been eliminated, neutralized too. All of Masood Azhar's family members, these 10 family members, 4 close aides, were all holed up in that mosque, which they consider to be a safe house of sorts. And those pictures on the right of your screens from Bahawalpur, this is the Jaish headquarters. You can see that the building completely blown to bits, the exact point where the missile fell in. And so everyone who was inside that mosque, terrorists, Jaish-e-Mohammed members, terror aides of Masood Azhar, all gone, all neutralized, Pooja.
Munish Pandey joins us. Munish, let's be very clear on this, isn't it? Whether it's the nephew like Talha, Rashid, Usman, Umar, Muhammad, Ismail, they've been indoctrinated. These close relatives, when we say, are not innocent civilians. They've all been a part of this cadre of the Jaish-e-Mohammed of Masood Azhar, isn't it? Tell us more details.
Well, this is big. As far as Masood Azhar is concerned, you know, the entire world knows he is a terrorist who has carried out multiple attacks, not only in India, but also in different parts of the country. And that is why he has always been a high target. Masood Azhar is someone who was born in Bahawalpur, and when in today's attack, what we have been given to understand is that at least 10 members of his family, have been killed in these precision attack which were carried out by the Indian Army. Now, as far as the reports are concerned, we have been given to understand is that the close family members of Masood Azhar has been killed. He himself, there is no clarity whether Masood Azhar is safe or not, but we have been given to understand is that as of now, the clarity is regarding the family members of Masood Azhar, and it is a big success as far as the Indian military is concerned. Now, also we have been given to understand is that this evening, 4 o'clock, there are prayers which will be held by Masood Azhar's close relatives for the family members. So it is going to be, we'll get clarity on what exactly happened. But this is clear that he has lost at least 10 members of his family.
There were some reports that suggested that there were high-value targets in Bahawalpur in that particular strike that took place in the mosque. And you see those images on the right of your screens. That's the exact mosque, footage of which is on your screens, where you had Masood Azhar's terror aides, his family members, all together, chilling there, thinking they were completely safe, protected by the Pakistani army. Little did they know that all the way in Bahawalpur, in the core of the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp, you will see this kind of a strike by our forces, which is what makes this strike so successful. That when they least expected it, thinking they're safe in their hideouts, thinking they're enjoying the protection of the Pakistan army, they've been completely exposed, they've been eliminated and neutralized. And this is what I said earlier as well, Pooja. What we're seeing right now, these strikes, with the news that we're putting out of 4 close aides, 10 members of Masood Azhar's family being eliminated, we've gone right down to the root of terror right now.
Absolutely.
We have made it very clear the backbone of terror will be broken.